In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install DaVinci Resolve 17. The first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on their website. This is an absolutely fantastic free to use video editing program, and straight away you can just see from the website how many features this free program offers. Just the first screenshot really does just show how amazing this program is. If we scroll down a little bit more, you can just see the amount of features is just unreal, and it's all free. It offers a lot more features than even a paid video editing program offers. So once you are on the page, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and click on download now, and you then need to click on Windows underneath DaVinci Resolve 17. DaVinci Resolve Studio 17 is the paid version, so we want to install the free version. You now need to go ahead and register for an account. Once you have created an account, you can now go ahead and click on Save File, and it will now begin to download DaVinci Resolve 17. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to open up the zip folder, and we then need to drag the file to your desktop. Once the file has finished extracting, we can now double click on the setup file, and you would then end up with a window that looks like this. You can now choose which components you would like to install. I'm actually happy with the options that are selected, but the main one you do want to install is the very bottom option, DaVinci Resolve 17. We can now go ahead and press install. You now need to go next. And if you agree to the terms, we can go ahead and press I accept and next. And you now need to choose where you'd like to install DaVinci Resolve to. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive. If you do want to change the location, then click on change and select a new directory. You now need to go next, and we can then go ahead and press install. Once the install has finished, you can go ahead and press finish. You now need to press OK, and we now need to delete the setup file from our desktop, and you will now see a shortcut for DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. We can now double click on this shortcut, and it will then begin to load up DaVinci. Once DaVinci has loaded, you will end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to click on New Project, and you now need to give your project a name. I'm going to call it CS, and press Create. This is what DaVinci looks like, and straight away you can see at the bottom here we have our timeline. Along the top we have lots of different options. You have your effects, we have titles, transitions, and we have the sync bin. I'm actually going to go ahead and drag in a video clip quickly, just so you can get a good idea of what it looks like when editing a video. And there we go. As you can see, I have now imported a video into DaVinci, and it's playing nicely. I can go ahead and press play up here if I want to play the video clip, or press stop to stop it. Along the bottom we have lots of different tabs. We have cut, edit, and color, fusion, fairlight, lots of different options. In cut we can right click on the clip and you can go ahead and split it into two different sections. We can go on to edit and you can then see that we have the two sections here. On the left hand side here we have all our effects library. There's lots of different options to choose from. Up the top is where you can choose the effects library. You have media pool. We also can edit the index. We can then go across to fusion, and there's lots of other settings you can play around with in here as well. We then have color, where we can adjust the color and stuff on our videos. So as you can see, there are lots of things you can do in DaVinci Resolve, and once you have finished editing your video, you can then go on to deliver, where you can then render the video with lots more settings. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.